Hello, this is Kobe Jr. and I'm here with you again with a new episode of how to make your academic fee payments done in a convenient way without moving a feet to the bank or anywhere. So, University of Ghana school is having various means of making your payments, your academic fee payment done. That is either via the bank, the short code, and the STS. So today I'll take you through how to use the STS portal to make your academic payment done. So when you come to the STS portal, kindly key in your various details, then you tap on what? Log in. Then you log in. This is going to be the interface if you are using a laptop. I mostly like to use a laptop because of one or two reasons. I am going to show you why. So the interface after the STS, you are going to see welcome, make payments, receipt registration, services, payment history, student loan profile, and logout. Because it's academic fee payment, you simply have to tap on what? Make payments. You are going to see academic fees, residential fees, internship fees. Then you just go to academic fees. Here you first have to confirm your ID whether it's correct. Then you confirm whether your full name is also correct. Then you select what? The fee type. Initially you are going to see academic fees here, but now I don't know why they have taken it out. I'm here to find out. But for now you are going to see internship and what? ID card. All that you have to do is just select ID card. Then you are going to key in the amount you want to pay. I remember when I came to University of Ghana, there was this very semester that I couldn't make my payments done early. So because of that, I couldn't register one of my favorites I want to do. That was info studies. I ended up doing adult education. So after that semester, I spoke to a friend, my very good friend. His name is Fifi Benedict, to which he told me that you don't need to wait for the semester to come to a close for you to hit the payment time. Then you get the entire amount and pay. You can be paying your fees in bit by bit, even if it's 50 cedis, 100 cedis, 10 cedis, 1 cedi, 200 cedis, 1,000. You can pay. So this is another means to help those who are not financially stable. Do not wait to get the entire full amount before you pay. Each and every day you can make a part payment of your fees, which will accumulate for you on the day of registration. So on the day of registration, if you are having 1 cedi to top up, all that you have to do is top up. Sometimes some of us, we get to the day of registration and we are not having anything to top up because we have done the SUSU payment as STS, and at that time we have paid more than half or even the full amount. So here you key in the amount you want to pay. I want to pay 10 Ghana cedis. Pay with, pay experience. Always select my Ghana Pay. Then beneath its phone number, you just key in your telephone number. Then you tap on what? Make payments. Here a pop-up will come to which they will give you the opportunity to confirm whether your ID is correct, and again whether you are making what? Academic fees. After confirmation, you tap on what? Yes, continue. Then a new interface will open. At the right side, you show your full name and the amount you are paying. At the left side, will simply show which is the telecommunication you want to use. Here I want to use MTN, so I'm just going to tap on MTN. Then beneath it, they are going to ask me of my phone number. I'm going to key in the mobile money number. Please, here maybe you are paying the fees for someone. Kindly make sure that you key in, if you are the one paying, you key in your mobile money number. If you are doing it for somebody, you key in the person's mobile money number. Then you draw the person's attention so that after the initiation over here, they do the confirmation on the mobile money phone. It's simple. So this is another means of, again, letting somebody help you pay your fees. So if it's an organization, you can do the initiation over here, then they do the confirmation at your end, at their end. If it's a church, same thing. If it's a boyfriend, girlfriend, if it's a parent, same thing. So all I have to do is just tap on what? Pay. Then I wait for the next pop-up that will come. At my top right, you realize that initiated, payment successful. Then I simply have to go to the mobile money phone. I'm going to get a pop-up on the phone. Then I just confirm. Here is a reason why I always want to use a laptop in doing or in paying fees using the STS. When you're using a phone, at that point, somebody will end up calling you and it will disrupt your network. Maybe, unfortunately, you are using one of those phones and it takes 5 minutes for the network to come back. If that happens, you end up losing your receipt. So most students are having experience of losing their receipt, and because of that, they are putting themselves in that quagmire of not using the STS portal again. Please, it was because your network got interrupted. But when you're using a laptop, it's a smooth process because nobody is going to call the laptop to interrupt your network. So that's why I always end up using my laptop for payment. So if after everything you just tap on the orange bar where is the dot is showing over there, if the network is smooth, you're going to see a pop-up immediately after tapping on. If the network is not smooth when you're using a laptop, you can just refresh or load the page. After loading the page, you're going to see this. Oh, congrats, your payment was successful. Then you wait for the next page to open. Please wait. Sometimes it takes like 3 minutes or less than 3 minutes before you see this pop-up, which is successful. If you get here, please do not go back. The only thing you can do when you think that is delaying is just refresh the page. Do not go back. If you go back, you end up losing your receipt. So after waiting, all I have to do is tap on OK. Congratulations, your payment went through successfully. Download and print your payment receipt at what? The payment history. All I have to do is just tap on what? The payment history. I'm going to see all the receipts. Since I came to University of Ghana, I started using this interface January 17th, 2003. That was when I started using the interface to pay my fees. So you realize that all my receipts are there. The last one will show the very recent one that you paid. So if your parent will need a receipt, your organization, or maybe your relationship partner will need a receipt, on the right side you realize that there is print receipt. You just tap on the print receipt and you're going to see your payment receipt. All that you have to do is just print this one and present it. It's just like going to the bank and paying my fees at the bank and getting my receipt. It's the same thing. Using the STS portal is convenient because you are not going to move an inch from where you are. Again, it takes, if the system is really good, it takes 24 to 48 hours, then it reflects. If there is glitches in the system, especially when we are hitting the deadline for registration, that is when there is mostly pressure on the system. With that one, mostly it takes like 3 working days, then it comes. So this is basically the step-by-step in using the STS portal to make your academic fee payment. Please use this channel to eradicate deferment in the reason of financial reasons. Do not wait to get the entire money before you do this. You can be paying it bit by bit. By the time you hit to the day of registration, you are having at least an amount that you are not, even if you are to top up, you are not going to top up much, then you can be able to do your registration. Please, again, this is the name Kobe Jr., distance education students, And if you like this, kindly hit on the subscription button, kindly like, comment, and do well to share with your friends. Thank you very much.